The taxonomy of Asian water buffalo, Bubales bubales, is that they belong to kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Erythodactylia, family Bovidae, genus Sandrenus, and species Bubales bubales. Bubales bubales is a large animal, commonly known as buffalo. These individuals stand 1.5 to 1.9 meter in height at the shoulders and have large feet with sprayed hooves. The face is long and narrow with rather small ears and large horns. The horns of this species have the widest spread found in any bovoid. Unlike African buffalo, in which the bases of the horns almost meet at the forehead, the bases of the horns in the Asian water buffalo are far apart. Both sexes bear horns, although those of the females are smaller than those of the males. Horns of both sexes are heavy, set at the base, ribbed, and are triangular in cross section. They have a body length of 240 to 300 centimeter and a tail length of 60 to 100 centimeter. Wild male water buffalo weighs up to 1200 kilograms and female can weigh up to 800 kilograms. Domesticated water buffalo range from 250 to 550 kilograms. Food habitat. Bubales bubales is a ruminant and is predominantly a grazer on grasses. It also eats herbs, aquatic plants, leaves, agricultural crops, and various other vegetation that grow in or along river and streams. Lifespan and longevity. Water buffalo are known to have a life of up to 25 years in the wild and a longevity of up to 29 years in captivity. Reproduction. Mating is typically polygynous. Maternal group exist in a large, loosely structured herds year-round. During the wet season, adult males enter the female groups and mate with, but do not control the receptive females who are in estrus for 11 to 72 hours. After mating, males are driven off. Male bovoids in general display dominance by posture and movement, and few conflicts escalates to levels of serious injury. Bulls determine estrus by sniffing a cow's urine and genitals. Timing of reproduction in these species is somewhat variable. In some areas, breeding is seasonally dependent, whereas in other areas, it is seasonally independent. Where seasonally dependent breeding often occurs after the rainy season and calves are born the following year near the beginning of the rainy season. Where seasonally independent calves may be born year round. The estrus cycle is 21 days of female bovoids. Water buffalo have longest gestation period 300 to 340 days. Females usually have one calf, but they may have twins. A female typically produces an average of one calf every 2 years. Calves are born weighing 35 to 40 kgs and are red to yellow or brown. Nursing lasts 6 to 9 months. The painted stork, or scientifically known as Macteria leucocephala, is a large vander with a long yellow bill that curves down at the tip. It has a bright orange face, pinkish leg, and a speckled band across its chest. Adults are primarily white with black stripes marking on the wings and bright pink on the terrestrials. Immatures are duller with a brown wash and lack the chest band. Painted storks are found in the wetlands of the plains of tropical Asia south of the Himalayas in the Indian subcontinent and extending into Southeast Asia. They are widespread throughout the Indian subcontinent with populations extending from Sri Lanka to Indochina and southern China. Painted storks are predominantly non-migratory and most make only local movements. Painted storks are classified as near threatened on the IUCN Red List. They have a lifespan of 28 years in captivity and weighs 2 to 5 kilograms. They feed mainly on small fish, which they sense by touch while slowly sweeping their half-open bill from side to side while it held submerged. They walk slowly and also disturb the water with their feet to flush fish. Hello, bonjour, hola, guten tag, ciao, namaste. Humans. According to taxonomy, all humans have been classified into class Mammalia and phylum Chordata. The scientific name of human beings is Homo sapiens, and it was coined by Carolus Linnaeus in year 1758. Homo sapiens sapiens is the name given to our species if we are considered a subspecies of a larger group. This name is used by those that describe the specimen from Herto, Ethiopia as Homo sapiens adultus, or by those who believe that modern humans and the Neanderthals were members of the same species. Homo sapiens evolved in Africa from Homo heidelbergensis. They coexisted for a long time in Europe and the Middle East with the Neanderthals and possibly with Homo erectus in Asia and Homo floresiensis in Indonesia, but are now only surviving human species. Homo sapien is a species of highly intelligent primate that includes all living humans. The term Homo sapiens is derived from Latin and mean wise man. Dental formula. An infant has a dental formula of 2102. A child or a teenager has a dental formula of 2122, and an adult human have a dental formula of 2123. Thank you for listening to this video for almost 7 minutes. Hope you all like it. Thank you.